To deliver torque in a standard impact driver, a hammer strikes an anvil, resulting in excessive noise and vibration due to the direct metal-on-metal contact. The M12 Fuel Surge quarter-inch hex hydraulic driver utilizes a fluid drive hydraulic powertrain that delivers torque to the application through rapid expansion and compression of hydraulic fluid, reducing metal-on-metal contact. This results in quieter operation, smoother performance, and reduced wear.
For the size of the tool, I was pretty surprised at how much power it had and how quiet it was.
With the M12 Fuel Surge, I would have to say that it's half as noisy as any other impacts on the market.
The M12 Surge is quiet for when you're in an office environment.
The M12 Fuel Surge is a compact unit, and I like that because you can get into tighter corners.
The M12 Fuel Surge is the smallest, the lightest. It means so much to us because we have to handle it all day long.
The perfect size, the perfect fit in your hand.
And it's lightweight for packing and carrying out.
I'm pleasantly surprised how powerful it is.
It has the power to do everything, from rough carpentry to finished carpentry. What I especially like is the speed control.
With those different modes, I can actually put cabinet doors on, but if you need to put a 9-inch screw in a wall through solid wood, that little sucker will do it.
With the M12 Fuel Surge, it runs smoother. I feel you have more control than any other impact.
It's lighter, it's smaller, it's quieter, it doesn't rack the hell out of your hand. It's exactly what we asked for.